Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can delete everything in your WordPress website. Like you want to clean your WordPress website. I will show you this in two steps. In the first steps we are gonna activate this plugin. When you activate this plugin, you just need to hover over tools and then you will see WP reset here. You just need to click on the WP reset and then you will be redirected over here. You can delete posts, pages, comments, media, everything over here you need to see. Okay, so when you come over here, so they will say that type reset, reactivate current theme, reactivate all current active plugins. This is an extra a good option if you want this. So I don't wanna reactivate the reset plugin, and I just need to write reset, and you will see it pop up. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.